Do you ever miss home so much that you try to recreate it in your own kitchen? That's me today. Living away from home isn't always easy. Life gets busy and the most days I manage is fine. But every now and then there are moments when I miss home. More than usual, I miss the familiar sounds and the comfort of being around family and the meals that always seems to appear on table without me ever thinking about the effort behind them. And most of all, I miss my mother's cooking. There was something special about it. Maybe it was the way she cooked, or maybe it was the love that went into every meal. Whatever it was, no restaurant and no recipe has ever been able to replace it. So whenever I find myself missing home, I step into my kitchen and cook the food I grew up eating. Today it was simple Kerala style meal. A fish fry, a fish curry and rice served on a banana leaf. Nothing special, just simple food that carries so many memories. My family is small, so I cooked in a small quantities, just enough for us to enjoy together. I don't like wasting food and have learned that a good meal doesn't have to be huge to feel special. As I clean fish, prepare the spices and cook each dish, I find myself thinking about home. The truth is, these meals never taste exactly like my mother. Somehow, with every familiar aroma and every bite, they bring me a little closer to the place and the people I miss. When I was younger, I never really paid attention to how much work went into preparing a meal. The fish would be clean, the curry would be ready, and somehow everything would appear on table at the right time. I simply enjoyed eating it. Now that I have my own home and my family, I understand things differently. I understand the planning that starts long before the cooking. I understand standing in the kitchen after a long day and still wanting to prepare something good for the people you love. I understand that cooking isn't only about feeding hunger stomachs. Sometimes it's about creating comfort. Sometimes it's about preserving traditions. And sometimes it's about holding on to memories. Food has a strange way of doing that. One smell can take you back years. One taste can remind you of a place you haven't seen in a long time. And one simple meal can make you feel connected to home, even when you're far away. Home isn't only a place, it's feeling. It's the warmth of a meal shared with the people you love. It's the memories that stay with you no matter where life takes you. And while I may be far from the home I grew up in, I carry a piece of it with me every day. In these recipes I cook, in the traditions I keep alive, and in the meals I prepare for my own family. This meal may not taste exactly like my mother's cooking, but it reminds me of her. It reminds me of home. If you're missing home too, I hope you find comfort in the little things that remind you of where you come from. Because no matter how far we go, a piece of home always stays with us. And with that, lunch is ready. Today's little taste of home is finally on table. Now it's time to enjoy this meal with my family. Alhamdulillah for the food on our table, for the people we share it with, and for the memories that we leave on through every meal.